between me and you. I ain't never met the perfect girl. They either ain't that fun, they're way too young, or they ain't got a lick of sense. Well, I don't know if she exists, but I'm making up a list that I'm checking them all against. Yeah, she gotta be 5'11". She smells like heaven. She was born in '86 or maybe '87. She got full intentions of getting her PhD. She got a big old booty, a countrified booty. She's a certified, bona fide, cold-blooded cutie. If anybody knows where the perfect girl might be, won't you tell her about me? Tell her about me. Well, I don't mean to sound picky, but relationships are tricky, and I'm looking for a perfect fit. I want a smoking hot honey with a whole lot of money, whose favorite thing is sharing it. Well, you can't really miss her, hell, she may be your sister, but whoever she might be, you'd be a real lifesaver if you do me one favor and put in a good word for me. She's gotta be 5'11". She smells like heaven. She measures 36, 24 to 37. She got full intentions of financially supporting me. She got a big old booty, a countrified booty, and she don't get mad if I watch dirty movies. If anybody knows where the perfect girl might be, won't you tell her about me? You can tell her that I'm all alone and to call me if she would. You can tell her anything as long as it's all good. But she gotta be 5'11". She smells like heaven, lets me do what I want to 24/7. She got full intentions of letting me be me, and you know she got a big old booty, countrified booty. Yeah, she thinks cleaning house is a woman's duty. If anybody knows where the perfect girl might be, won't you tell her about